Hello friends, today we are going to learn A to Z basic words. Fun with sounds. Let's start. Say after me. A for apple, A for ant. Apple, ant. A for X, A for ankle. X, ankle. B for bag, B for ball. Bag, ball. B for bus, B for bike. Bus, bike. B for bat, B for balloon. Bat, balloon. C for camel, C for cabbage. Camel, cabbage. C for candle, C for cat. Candle, cat. C for carrots, C for cauliflower. Carrots, cauliflower. C for carpenter, C for cow. Carpenter, cow. C for cock, C for cup. Cock, cup. C for crocodile, C for corn. Crocodile, corn. D for den, D for dog. Den, dog. D for door, D for doll. Door, doll. D for donkey, D for duck. Donkey, duck. E for egg, E for eight. Egg, eight. E for elbow, E for elephant. Elbow, elephant. F for fan, F for farmer. Fan, farmer. F for pig, F for fish. Pig, fish. F for fox, F for frog. Fox, frog. G for giraffe, G for gate. Giraffe, gate. G for goat, G for girl. Goat, girl. H for hat, H for hen. Hat, hen. H for hill, H for horse. Hill, horse. H for hut, H for hyena. Hut, hyena. I for ink pot, I for igloo. Ink pot, igloo. I for injection, I for insect. Injection, insect. J for jackfruit, J for jar. Jackfruit, jar. J for jacket, J for joker. Jacket, joker. K for kangaroo, K for kettle. Kangaroo, kettle. K for kite, K for key. Kite, key. L for lamp, L for lion. Lamp, lion. L for lemon, L for lock. Lemon, lock. M for mobile, M for mug. Mobile, mug. M for mango, M for mat. mango, mat. N for nurse, N for nail, nurse, nail. N for nest, N for nose, nest, nose. O for orange, O for ox, orange, ox. O for owl, O for ostrich, owl, ostrich. P for pen, P for parrot, pen, parrot. P for pigeon, P for puppy, pigeon, puppy. Q for queen, Q for question, queen, question. Q for Q for quill, Q, quill. R for rat, R for ruler, rat, ruler. R for ring, R for rose, ring, rose. S for sun, S for sofa, sun, sofa. S for socks, S for soap, socks, soap. T for tiger, T for table, tiger, table. T for top, T for teddy, top, teddy. U for umbrella, U for umpire, umbrella, umpire. U for up, U for uncle, up, uncle. F for fan, F for violin, fan, violin. V for vulture, V for vegetable, vulture, vegetable. W for whale, W for wall, whale, wall. W for watch, W for wood, watch, wood. X for Xerox, X for Christmas tree, Xerox, Christmas tree. X for X-ray, X for fox, X-ray, fox. Y for yak, Y for yarn, yak, yarn. Y for yoga, Y for yacht, yoga, yacht. Z for zip, Z for zebra, zip, zebra. Z for zoo, Z for zero, zoo, zero. Thank you.